All right, why is everyone buying this boneless folding sofa bed right now? It's flying off the shelves on Amazon. It is selling over 550 units every single month, and it's being rated and reviewed very highly by those who buy it. It's a 4.6 average rating of 4.6 stars with over 100 ratings. So that's insane. I would say the most products that I buy at Amazon are probably like in the 4.2, 4.3 star range. I don't like to go below 4. If it's 4 or above, I feel confident about it, especially if it has at least 50 ratings. Once you get to 4.2, 4.3, I'm like, okay, this is amazing. This is 4.6. So people are seeing that it's flying off the shelves, selling 550 units a month, and it's being rated and reviewed at average of 4.6 stars by those who buy it. Many of them are writing very positively about it. People are seeing that and they're like, okay, I can trust this. I don't have to worry when I buy this. It's going to arrive. I'm going to take it out of the box. I'm not going to like it. I have to vacuum seal it back up. And it's just you don't want to deal with that. So you see that on the page, this is good. You factor in the price point, dude, for this one, that's insane, dude. I've reviewed folding sofa beds that are like, dude, they're nothing compared to this. And they are like the same price. I mean, dude, straight up, dude, this could be 3 times more than that. And it's still amazing. So, the main reason why this is so much better, this is the best folding sofa bed I've ever reviewed. The main reason, it's this backrest right here. Dude, this is a legit backrest. All the other folding sofa beds that I use, you have to literally lean it up against the wall. As you can see, I am not leaned up against the wall. And dude, I'm being supported. Like, it's not just like this like super flimsy back. It's like, dude, there's support on this. It's soft and comfortable, but it supports you. So it's very nice. I really like the corduroy vibe. Nice and soft, nice and comfortable, along with the high density foam. This is more firm down here, and then up here, it's a little bit softer. It's just different. Honestly, it's hard to describe it. It's softer, but it's still also supportive at the same time. If that makes sense. So the next reason why this is so amazing. Oh, so it's got this handle, makes it easier to either carry, or when you fold it out, you can just easily just fold it out like that. And dude, look at that, dude. Nice little lounge. And as you can see, same with the support back here, dude. This is nice, dude. Like, this is super nice. This is way better. Yeah. When you're in the laying position, you can't compare this to the other folding sofa beds that I've reviewed that are the same price. This is way better. And like he was saying, how much longer it is. Like, dude, I'm about 5'11", and as you can see, there's a lot more room. So if you ever just wanted to use this as like a bed, I mean, dude, you're good to go. I mean, that's a bed right here. Or I could even, this is a pillow. You're leaned back like this. Dude, I mean, this thing is super nice. Like, straight up, dude, this is really nice. The other thing that's amazing is on the bottom, you've got the non-stick vibe. That way it sort of grips to the floor a little bit. That way it's not like sliding around and moving around while you're on it. But all in all, dude, like, straight up, dude, I see why it's flying off the shelves. This is the best folding sofa bed I've used by far. Boneless. So it's straight up, dude, the box it arrives in, I mean, it's pretty small. I mean, it's not this size. It's relatively small. You just cut it open and it expands into this folding sofa bed. I mean, in like a minute, probably. But super nice. I love it. You're going to love it. Highly recommend.